everyone, welcome back. So today I'm so excited for this video. So today we are going to be doing a first impressions and a review and swatches and all of that on the Bratz palette. So this is part of the new Makeup Revolution Bratz collection, and they have got a ton over there, so make sure you go and check it out. They've got so many palettes, so many lip products. They've got lip glosses, lip crayons, palettes. They've got, oh my god, I think they've got like lip balms and things. They've got so much. I got this from Revolution's website, so I will put the price on the screen for you now, and I will link this down below where I got it. So I had to choose one palette because I didn't want to get the whole collection. I might, but for now I just wanted to try one palette, and the first palette I saw was this purple one, and you know I love purples, so I went for this one. This one is the Yasmin palette. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I was a Bratz fan when I was younger, so this one was like my girl. I always used to think that she was kind of the one that I wanted to be. I don't know why, because I don't really have blonde hair. Well, I do kind of now, but yeah, this is like my vibe. This is my favourite one, Yasmin. So we are going to be doing some swatches. We are going to be doing some full review on this. We're going to be making a eye look out of it as well. So this is the palette. The packaging comes like this, so it's in like this very unique shape, which is something that Revolution always do. They always do things in funny shapes, funny packaging. So let's open this up. So we have 18 shades in this palette, which is just standard for Revolution. So this is the palette itself, and it says the girls with a passion for fashion. So yeah, we have 18 shades in here. Once you open it, this is what you get. You get the kind of like this screen, this little cover over it, and it's got like little faces on it, so that's quite cute. So let's go ahead and take this off. So we have got quite a variety of shimmers in this palette as well as mattes, which is something that I just love. I feel like the size of the palette is just really good as well. It's not too big, and it's not too chunky. It's quite compatible, so it would be good for storage because it's quite thin. If it was any bigger, I feel like it would be probably like a bit too big, but other than that, it's a cute shape, it's cute packaging. It's just one of them fun ones that you get in from Revolution, to be honest. So we have a big variety of colours in here. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch the shimmers for you first of all, and let's have a look how they perform. So here are the swatches. I hope you can see that well, but we've got this kind of purpley colour here, which is called Feel It. Then we've got this brown copper colour up here, Aussie. We've got this green called Frog, which is really cute. I love that one actually. And then we've got this one here, which is called Glammed Up. Then we've got Pretty Princess at the top. Got Pretty Princess there, and then on the side here, so I should have done this differently, but on the side there we've got them three shades that are at the bottom. So we've got Inner Peace, Crown and Flaunt It. So they do swatch really nice. The only colour I will say that struggled a little bit in kind of like, was a little bit lackluster, is this colour called, it's called Glammed Up. So this colour was a little bit sort of, didn't really have much punch to it in a swatch, but that doesn't matter. We can try it on the eyes and see how it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch some of the, I'm going to swatch all of the mattes over here. Here are the mattes. So we've got the top brown, where you've got Beauty Mark, then we've got I Rule, we've got Coffee Date, we've got Zen, and then on the other side we've got Poet, Guac, and yeah, we forgot a shimmer. We forgot Mystery. We forgot this really dark one actually. So I forgot about that dark one there, but that one's called Mystery. I feel like some of them have got like a real good punch to them, but that one colour just didn't have much kind of punch. It was quite lackluster. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to try and create some sort of look. I feel like I want to go with purple because it's like my colour. I love purples, and also I just feel like this palette is just purple vibes. So we're going to go in with the colour. First of all, I'm going to go in with the colour called Zen, which is this like brownie kind of coffee colour. I love the fact that it brings a mirror. The mirror is quite big, I'm not going to lie. The mirror is quite on the big side. I'm really sorry about my dry skin. I'm really struggling with like a dry scalp at the moment. It's not fun, but that's just life. Don't know why, but I just am. Okay, that colour is just life. I love it. It's just such a nice purpley coffee colour. It's not even a brown coffee colour, it's more like a purple colour. I love this. And this one is called Zen, which it doesn't look the colour that you're getting on your eyes. Like, it looks more nude and brown, but it's actually quite purple, as you can see. It's quite a purpley kind of colour. So I'm just going to go ahead in and pop these shades in the crease. So I really love how they apply, how they perform. They look really good, it looks really nice, it's really easy to blend out. It wasn't too much of like a struggle. So if you are a beginner and you just want to get this palette and you're not like a proper makeup person, then this palette is just like quite suitable. By the looks of it, it seems really good. There is quite a lot of fallout on the pan in the actual palette, but not on my face. I can't really see much, so I'm going to go ahead and darken it up a little bit with this colour, this pinky colour here, Change the World. I do feel like the colours look different in the pan than what I'm getting on my actual eyes. So I'm just going to pop that in the crease as well. I'm honestly just like deciding as I go along like what colour and what look I'm going to go for, because I really don't know. I do love how these blend out though, really do love it. I'm using the Real Techniques brush. It's called a setting brush, but to me it's more of a eye brush, but yeah, it's a really good brush. Okay, so why not deepen up a little bit in the corners? So I'm going to go in with this colour called I Rule, and I need to change my brush. I actually need to wash my brushes very soon, so I'm probably going to do that in a vlog with you guys at some point. I'm going to go in with this colour called I Rule. Wow, there's quite a lot of fallout. I don't know if you can see, but it's dripped into that highlight. No, so I'm going to deepen the outer corner up just on here, just so I think I'm going to go more of like, I'm going to go for more like of a spotlight eye. We are getting a lot of fallout on that dark colour, but that is to be expected when we do go in with like darkish colours. Okay, so I'm happy with that. I really love them colours actually. So I'm just going to go in with this brush, and just with like the extra residue on the brush, I'm just going to try and blend it in a little bit. Overwhelming for me. So I'm now going to go in with a shimmer. So let's really put these shimmers to a test. So I feel like I want to go in with this purple because it's so pretty. So I'm going to go in with this colour called Feel It, which is what drew me to the palette anyway. And I'm literally just going to apply it as I would. You know, I always tend to use my finger when it comes to shimmers. I just feel like it just works, you know. Oh, so nice. You know what, it's giving me like a really nice foiled look as well, which I love. So I'm really happy with this so far. I'm actually very impressed with this palette. Like, in my opinion, like straight away, I feel like this palette is just really nice. It's so easy to work with. The shimmers are just amazing. I do think it's nice. Okay, I really love this palette. It's so nice. I feel like it is just, I feel like it is just Bratz vibes. Like, it's quite bright, and I love how they've put the light purple with the dark purple in the palette. I think that the shade range is really good. I'm going to use these shades here as highlighter, but I'm also going to do it as an inner corner as well. We're going to go in with this colour called Inner Peace, and I'm going to use that as an inner corner. Okay, so it's not as vibrant as some of the palettes that I have got, especially for My Heart Revolution, like the inner corner, but it's nice. It's pretty. It goes with the rest of the palette. The palette, I wouldn't say the palette is like majorly pigmented, but the dark colours, this colour here, I Rule and Change the World, they're just so good, and they are really pigmented. But yeah, it's not majorly like pigmented, but It is very, very pretty and I like it. I do love this look. I'm going to take the colour Inner Piece again and see if we can use this as a highlight. Oh yes. Oh wow. Wow. That's crazy. Wow, that is the most beaming highlight I've used in a long time. Okay, you guys, I think you can tell from like my face expression, I adore this palette. I'm so glad I did get it. It's actually you guys on Instagram that persuaded me. I wasn't going to get Bratz collection. I just wasn't. I feel like I just needed a bit of a break from purchasing so much, and few of you guys, well, like more than a few of you guys were like messaging me like, are you going to get the Bratz collection? Are you going to film a video with it? Are you going to grab it? And you guys persuaded me to get it, and I'm so happy I've got it. So if you are umming and ahhing about getting the Bratz collection palette, I definitely recommend it. I feel like I really want to try out some more of these, so let me know if you want to see that. But yeah, I'm so happy with this palette. Overall, I think the palette is amazing. I think the palette is a good price for what it is. I feel like the palette is, like I said, it's a good size, it's nice for storage, it's nice and flat, and I kind of want to collect them all now. So let's put some mascara on. I'm going to use this watermelon mascara that they sent across in PR in the watermelon collection. I do have like a tiny bit of fallout around my nose, but I'm going to get that off. But sometimes it can be expected, you know, with certain shimmers. And so I did a little review on this mascara the other day. I did like my watermelon collection review, so you may have seen it, you may not have, but I was basically saying that I found this mascara quite dry, and now I quite like it. I feel like it's a really good mascara. It's one of them ones where you want to keep building and building if you wanted to get something quite extra, but for me I quite like that natural look sometimes, so I'm enjoying this now. Anyway, please subscribe if you are new. It means so much to me, and please follow my socials. And yeah, I'm so excited, and thank you so much for persuading me to get this palette, because I think it's amazing, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.